What is the difference between json.dump and json.dumps in Python? I searched in this official document to find difference between the json.dump and json.dumps in Python. It is clear that they are related with file write option. But what is the detailed difference between them, and in what situations one has more advantage than other?
There isn't much else to add other than what the docs say. If you want to dump the JSON into a file/socket or whatever, then you should go with dump. If you only need it as a string, for printing, parsing or whatever, then use dumps, dump string. As mentioned by Andy Hopala in this answer, there are some minor differences on the ensure_ASCII behavior. This is mostly due to how the underlying write function works, being that it operates on chunks rather than the whole string. Check his answer for more details on that. json.dump. Serialize is a JSON formatted stream to FP. A write supporting file like object if ensure_ASCII is false. Some chunks written to FP may be Unicode instances. json.dumps. Serialize to a JSON formatted strife ensure_ASCII is false. The result may contain non-ASCII characters and the return value may be a Unicode instance.
The functions ending with s accept string parameters. The other take file streams or pointers to files.
In memory usage and speed. When you call JSON_str equals json.dumps metadata, it first creates a full copy of your data in memory and only then you file.write JSON_str it to disk. So this is a faster method but can be a problem if you have a big piece of data to save. When you call json.dump metadata, file, withouts, new memory is not used, as the data is dumped by chunks. But the whole process is about 2 times slower. Source: I checked the source code of json.dump and json.dumps and also tested both the variance measuring the time with time.time and watching the memory usage in top.
One notable difference in Python 2 is that if you're using ensure_ASCII equals false, dump will properly write UTF-8 encoded data into the file, unless you used 8-bit strings with extended characters that are not UTF-8. Dumps, on the other hand, with ensure_ASCII equals false can produce a str or Unicode just depending on what types you used for strings. Serialize to a JSON formatted str using this conversion table. If ensure_ASCII is false, the result may contain non-ASCII characters and the return value may be a Unicode instance. Emphasis mine. Note that it may still be a str instance as well. Thus you cannot use its return value to save the structure into file without checking which format was returned and possibly playing with Unicode.encode. This of course is not valid concern in Python 3 anymore, since there is no more this 8-bit/Unicode confusion. As for load versus loads, load considers the whole file to be one JSON document, so you cannot use it to read multiple new-line limited JSON documents from a single file.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.